Hello students, there is one more maths activity for you, and it is to show the property of a circle that angle subtended by a semicircle at any point of circle is a right angle. If here is the circle and somewhere here will be its center, then I am drawing any of the diameter for the sake of easiness using this diameter. So the property, the theorem says angle subtended by this semicircle at any point of the circle. Here these are the 2 points of this semicircle. You can choose this semicircle. One point, other point on the circle, and joining these two ends of the semicircle. And the property says that this angle APB will be 90 degree. Okay, you can choose any point on the circumference. As we know, in the same segment, angle drawn by any arc at any point of the circumference is equal. So this will also be 90. See, every time I am taking the same semicircle AB. So whether it is point P or Q or R, every time the angle subtended by this semicircle at the circumference is 90. Okay, so we are going to show it. Now, if I am having two equal angles such that their sum is 180, this means each one of them is 90 degree. Okay, so here we are going to show the same thing. What I am doing, we will be showing it by our paper cutting activity. So here I have drawn circle, same diameter, same radius with two colors. And as already discussed, using paper folding activity, we are finding its center. So where the two of the diameters are crossing each other, this is the center. Same way for this circle, here it is the center. Now, as per your choice, you can choose its diameter. I am drawing a diameter here and showing it to you. Only one necessary condition of the diameter, that it is the chord which is passing from the center of the circle. Here the center, and to draw the chord it should cut the circle at 2 points. Also passing from the center. Now taking any abrupt point here, and then joining it to the 2 points of this diameter of this arc semicircle. Here joining it at this point. Now see, my aim is to show that this angle is 90 degree. And as I told you already, what I am going to show, I will show that sum of this angle with the same is 180. Okay, so I am going to make two copies of this angle. Here, this is why I have drawn the other circle also with the same radius. One of the point is here. If you want, you can put a carbon paper between these two while you have drawn this angle. Okay, anyhow, as per the property of the circle, we know angles at each point will be of equal measurement. Still, if you want to keep it very sure कि same angle you are working with is drawn here also, then you can put a carbon paper between the two. It will reduce your work also. So well, I am going to make 2 copies of this angle. Here I will paste this original copy in my notebook so that I can show this angle. And now for this angle I am cutting 2 of its copies, a replica. So here it is. Cut along that lines you had drawn properly. And see, these are the 2 angles. Here one and the other one. Well, please check here, same measurement. Okay, now I am putting one by one these 2 angles such that, well, you may check here for my circle, these 2 angles were of equal measurement, and now when I am keeping them together, please find their sum is making a straight line. If it is a straight line, that means this angle and this angle, remember we have chosen same angle, we took its replica. So sum of this angle, that means twice of x, is making a linear pair. It is forming a line. You can give it some name, A, O, B and all. And that means x is equal to 90 degree. Please remember, when you are joining it, here this part is working as the hypotenuse. You are not joining it along this line. Okay, you are joining either along this side or along this side. Here, if the angle is from here, other angle will be added like this. Here the angle was, then the other angle will be kept like this. Well, I have to revert this side. Okay, so don't join the angles along this line, but here or along here.